Hello, Model Railroad fans. Been working hard today. I got the north side of the bench work done and ran out of 2x3s. I need 3 or 4 more to finish what I want to do. So far I need one to cross over here, fill that in. I got to get it at the angle where the peninsula will go. I want to put a corner piece over in here, and I want to put a rounded corner piece over here. You can see the entrance here, and so this is about 36 inches across here from this side to this side. So I got to look for something I could build to put a lift up bridge in there. I think that may be my next step, is a lift out bridge along with these corner pieces. But yeah, made a lot of progress today. Working real hard. I'm going to leave the peninsula for later, and because I want to get started painting, and I've got 2 boxes of cork and another box 25 piece of flex track, so I'd like to get started laying track, at least one line where I could go all the way around the whole room. That would be a great accomplishment for me. So anyway, just a brief update, show you some pictures next. Thanks for watching.